The solar system consists of Sun and its planetary system of 8 planets, their moon and other non-stellar objects. It formed 4.6 million years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant molecular cloud. The vast majority of the system mass is in the Sun, and with the most of remaining mass contained in Jupiter. Let's learn about asteroid belt. Asteroid belt is a place in the solar system where small bodies, mostly rocky and some metallic, that orbit the Sun. Sometimes scientists call these little worlds minor planets. These objects move mostly between the orbits of solar system, Mars and Jupiter. Astronomers once thought they were left over of rocky planet that Jupiter gravity tore apart long ago. But now, they think differently. They think that asteroids are likely simply remnant from the creation of solar system 4.6 billion years ago. The word asteroid means starlight. Asteroid got this name when astronomers first discovered them in early 1800s, when they thought they looked like stars. Asteroid belt contains objects that vary widely in size. It has 1 to 2 million asteroids, more than half a mile, about a kilometer across. Plus, the asteroid belt contains untold millions of smaller ones, some probably no bigger than pebbles. The distance of asteroid belt lies between 2.2 and 3.2 astronomical units from our Sun. 1 astronomical unit is the distance between the Earth and the Sun. So the width of asteroid belt is roughly 1 astronomical unit, or 92 million miles, or 150 million kilometers. The asteroid belt is often called the main belt, to distinguish it from other, smaller groups of asteroids in solar system, such as the Lagrangians and Centaurs in outer solar system. There are different and distinct zones within the main belt asteroids. The Hungaria group at the inner edge, the Cybele asteroids at the outer, and towards the middle of the belt, there is the highly inclined Phocae family.
The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter formed in a similar way as the rest of the planets. There are a couple of theories that explain how the solar system began, but the most accepted one is the nebular theory. This theory suggests the solar system started as a large shapeless cloud of gas, dust and ice, but the explosion of a nearby star disrupted the mass and set things in motion. The dust and gas began to spin faster and faster in a circle, and gravity began to cause bits to clump together and form larger bodies called planetesimals. As the accretion continued, planetesimals turned into protoplanets, and then developed into planets. Gravity drives the formation of celestial bodies. It pulls material together so it can form stars, moons, planets and galaxies. But in order for these to form, you need just enough gravity. Too little or too much, and they won't form. The area between Mars and Jupiter had too much gravity going on, and Jupiter was the reason. The gas giant is the most massive object in our solar system. And as you have probably already heard, objects with more mass have more gravity. Jupiter's large gravitational pull on the area that would become the asteroid belt is believed to be the main reason why these bodies were never able to form a single object. The gravity created by Jupiter would pull apart anything large and cause any potential protoplanets to collide and break apart into smaller bits. So the billions of little asteroids in the belt never formed into a planet and continued to orbit around the Sun in the same direction as all the other planets in the solar system.